How to fix Roblox website not loading. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Roblox website not loading. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser. I will open Google Chrome. So if you are opening Google Chrome too, tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option you see there, and in the search bar that will be shown, type in DNS and further tap on the security option that you see. In the interface that you will then be led to, under the Advanced tab, find the Select DNS Provider option and tap on the drop-down. Now, select the Google Public DNS option and by now, your Roblox website should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.